Hi, my name is Dan Clark, and my wife and I own and operate 5 Liberty Tax Service offices in the central Phoenix area. If you're watching this video, you've seen an ad that we've placed online for a tax professional position, and I wanted to create this video to give an overview of the position and our process because it's a little bit different than what you would normally go through when looking for a job. Our process starts each fall when we hold tax classes. During those classes, we teach you how to do individual income tax returns. We'll teach you the basics of tax preparation. Obviously, we can't teach you everything in a limited course, but we will teach you enough that you will be able to prepare the vast majority of tax returns that will walk through our doors during tax season. Why should you want to become a tax professional? There's a couple reasons. First, we make a very good part-time seasonal job. Some people want full-time. That's fine. We have those opportunities as well. During tax season, we're open a lot. We're open 7 days a week, up to 18 hours a day, depending on the time of the season. And so we have a lot of shifts available. We have people that come and work for us only mornings. We have people that come and work for us only evenings, only weekends. And then we have people that want full-time hours as well. So we pretty much have a work schedule that can work around anybody's schedule, whether you're have a full-time job or you're a student currently. There's a place for you if this is something that you want to do. Second reason why you might want to become a tax professional, it looks great on the resume. This is not flipping burgers at McDonald's, not that there's anything wrong with that, but you're not working at a gas station. You're working as a professional, providing a professional service, and really it's just a great skill to have, even if you ended up not working as a tax pro. Knowing about our income tax system and being able to provide help to friends and family or just do your own taxes, it's a valuable skill to have. And then obviously, third reason that you might want to become a tax professional is money. Most of us work for money, and you have an opportunity to make very good money during tax season as a tax professional. To give you a quick example, and if you contact us later after this video, I'll send you all this information so you don't have to memorize this or anything. But just to give you an idea of compensation, our new preparers will start at $8.25 an hour plus bonus. Now, the key to the compensation is that bonus. So the bonus works. It varies anywhere between 3 to 5%, depending on your seniority in the business, of the net fees that the customer pays us. So to give you an example, if you worked for an hour and you prepared one tax return, and that customer paid us $300, a new preparer is going to get 3% of that $300, or 3% times 300 is $9. Add that to your hourly base rate of $8.25, and for that particular hour, you would make $17.25. Now, we found that the typical tax return takes 30 to 45 minutes to prepare, and our average net fee over all 5 offices last season was more than $280 per tax return. So that'll give you some idea about the earning potential. We found over the course of the season that most people will make $11 to $15, sometimes more, per hour. And depending on which part of the season you work in, there's definitely the potential to make quite a bit more. During some parts of the season, you'll definitely make 20, 25 plus an hour, just because it's so busy and there's so much opportunity. One other thing to note, being bilingual is a huge bonus, because we do have, obviously here in Phoenix, a high percentage of Hispanic population. So we do have a lot of customers who prefer to speak Spanish or only speak Spanish. And so if you do speak Spanish, that only increases your potential, your earning potential. Let's see. We have, like I said, 5 offices. Those offices are located, just to give you a quick rundown, at 43rd Avenue and Thomas, a little bit over on the west side of the valley. We have 3 offices that are located pretty close together, 19th Avenue in Camelback, 19th Avenue and Bethany Home Road, and 27th Avenue and Bethany Home Road. Those are a little bit more central there. And then we do have one office a little bit further east, 44th Street and Thomas, sort of southern part of the Arcadia area, just a little bit north of the airport. I think that's all that I wanted to cover for right now. If you do have other questions, I'm happy to talk to you one-on-one or answer you via email or text. I do get a ton of response from these ads, so please be patient with me. You can reach me at azlibertytax@gmail.com, or you can also reach me via phone at 602-826-3866. That's a cell phone. You can text me there or call me. And like I said, just be patient because I am dealing with a lot of people who are interested in the position. But that should give you a little bit of overview on the position. And hopefully we see you in tax class. Oh, speaking of tax class, one other thing I did want to mention, people do ask, it is kind of important. We do use a book in the tax class that we do charge $30 for. I have to buy the books myself, and so I just pass the cost on to the students who need to use the book in the class. So that's a question that I commonly get. Anyway, hope to see you in tax class and later on as a tax professional working with us. Take care.